If you are verbally fluent in English, reading, grammar, vocab, it doesn't mean necessarily you're going to succeed on the IELTS examination, the writing section, specifically task number 2. Why? We've seen this misconception among students. If they are good in the verbal part, the comprehension, the grammar, the vocab part, they assume that they're ready for the writing part. On the contrary, it needs specific attention because you're going to follow a certain methodology. You'll be assessed in a certain way. There are specifications for the exam, such as the word count, needed to manage your time effectively, how to structure the essays, not to mention the various types of essays that you might be asked on in the exam. Now, in this current lesson, I'm going to share with you a very quick method to help you upskill your writing game. This is what we call as the burger method. Literally, a burger method is like a burger. It's made up of layers, where the top layer is actually the first paragraph, the introductory paragraph, which includes the main topic ideas. Think about it like a thesis statement with various headlines or ideas injected into it. Then you transition to the various layers of the burger, where you got the beef, you got the onions, the tomatoes. The same logic applies, but these layers on the writing part, they resemble the paragraphs, what we call them as the supporting paragraphs, where every single paragraph has a main idea and supporting examples. And you proceed through the layers 1, 2, 3, and 4, all the way to the final layer, which we call as the final conclusion, the concluding paragraph. That way you have a burger. You got the first layer, which is the bread bun, then you have the layers of the burger, and then the final layer, which is the other bun layer, which represents a full burger, hence a full essay. This is what we call as the burger method, which is a very powerful tool to keep at the back of your mind as you navigate the IELTS examination, the writing task specifically, because it has a great weightage in terms of the marks, and following the burger method will help you actually upskill and enhance your writing abilities. If you need support with the IELTS examination in general, we do have workshops and training sessions with our expert trainers who are certified IELTS trainers, and they have been doing this for years, helping students navigate the IELTS examination and crush it with ease. Take a look at the video description where we have all of these details, in addition to an exclusive writing mastery course for the IELTS examination, which will help you crush the writing task 2, specifically covering the various types of essays, including sample essays for practice, model essays that you're able to download and to compare to facilitate your learning journey, not to mention the peer support, not to mention the instructor support to help you navigate your IELTS writing preparation. All of these are mentioned in the video description. Feel free to take a look at them. And don't forget to smash the like and the subscribe button for all of the latest educational and professional development updates. Till next.